Hi everyone, welcome to Beauty and Lifestyle by Anindita. In my channel I always talk about products and I tell you the good things and bad things about them. That's my honest opinion. None of my videos are sponsored, guys. Today I'll talk about this one. This is a kajal from Wet and Wild and the name is very nice. The name is Baby's Got Black. I hope I can show you the writing because I have used it for a long time. And guys, can you see it? It's written over here, Baby's Got Black. This is a dark black kajal and this is from Wet n Wild. This kajal is very long. You can see this much only now because I've been using it for a long time. This was at least this much, right? So compared to any other kohl kajal which you get in the market, whatever brand it is, this is actually longer and this one is very nice. This is not smudge proof at all. This one is not waterproof. If you don't even wash your face, like after you apply the kajal, after 1 hour it will start smudging. So I use this kajal when I go to drop my children to school, or when I go to pick them up, or I go to a family gathering, or simply I take my children to park. So there I don't really need a very neat eye makeup, right? There I would like to have a carefully careless look, a very casual look, and without kajal I can't even think about going out. This is my love. I love kajals. So today I'll apply this kajal in front of you guys and I'll do a quick smoky eye makeup, a smoky eye tutorial using this one. Since this kajal will like smudges a lot, so I would always recommend, or I will suggest, if you are planning to go for a smoky eye look, you can use this one. Or if you're going for a casual gathering, just to go out sometimes like we do, just to go for getting our vegetables or grocery, or to drop our children for tuition classes, this kind of things, you know, don't apply a very neat eyeliner or something. That doesn't go with that kind of purpose, right? So for casual purposes I'll just do a smoky eye makeup because anyways it's gonna smudge after 1 hour. And yeah, let's see. Let me just apply in front of you guys. But with this kind of pencil kajals, we kind of end up wasting our product because yes, you have to sharpen it, and when we sharpen it, some amount of product always gets wasted, guys. So you see it's quite thick. Yeah, what I was talking about is it's always like some amount of product will definitely get wasted. You can't help it, you have to accept it. But this kind of kajals will last for a long time because normally if you are using a smudge proof kajal, that will be generally 0.35 or 0.32 grams, but these ones will come in like 1.2 grams or something, guys. I forgot the price actually, and since I was using it for a long time, I don't even remember now. What I'll do is I'll put in the comment section, or rather I'll put in the description box or in my title the amount and the like the amount of product which this one contained. Okay, so yes, my eye makeup is almost done, guys. Now if you are in a hurry, right, what you can do is you simply take your ring finger and this way you can smudge your kajal. Alright, I always smudge my kajal because I am always in a hurry, like I am doing all my household work, and when I'm going out I don't really have much time for myself. So that's how you can actually make a smoky eye or a smudged eye makeup, and you need very little bit for the upper eyelid. I'm done, guys, not much, and there you go, finished. How is it, guys? So you can have this kind of eye look, this kind of eye makeup with the help of this kajal. This is from Wet n Wild. Once again, this is not very pricey. I'll put the price in my title or description box. You can find it out. And this kajal is travel friendly. This will not open up unless you pull it. This does not close with a click sound, but this is quite tight. You really have to push it a little hard, and this will keep closed for a long time. Unless you pull it, it will not open up. And this is quite travel friendly. This is cost effective also. It goes for a long time, and like I just said, during the daytime or even at night for a party, for like whatever reason you have, you can actually apply this kajal. So yes, with that I'll end today's video, guys. If it has been helpful, Please do subscribe to my channel and like, share and subscribe. If you do not want to miss my videos, you can hit the bell icon always. My videos are always full of fun, full of laughter, smile, some kind of chit chat, because I love my viewers. When I come to my channel, when I talk to you guys, I feel so relaxed, so good. I feel so positive. So guys, yes, I'll see you in my next video. Till then, you take care. Stay with kajal. Keep applying kajal, because if you keep applying kajal, your eyes will look beautiful and you will feel beautiful when you look into the mirror. So yeah, once again, take care guys. Tata, bye bye. Be confident always and keep watching my videos. Bye.